Today Huawei Nova 7 SE unboxing and overview. Nova 7 series budget phone. How is it? It's worth to buy? Everything review in this video. Box front side. Name, Nova 7 Say 5G. Insert the box front side mobile here. I like Nova 7 Pro back cover. More main box inside. 200 yuan coupon card. It's work only on our store. Phone right side mounting fingerprint here, also power button. More main box inside mini box, inside free case and paper works, more box inside free headphone. It's normal headphone and AC adapter. This adapter support 40 watts, last Type-C cable, overall box inside all contents here. Let's overview phone first. Phone bottom side Type-C port and speaker and 3.5mm jack here. Good news, Nova 7 say not removed headphone but Nova 7 Pro removed. Left side nothing. Phone top side SIM card port here. Let's look phone display. 6.5-inch Full HD plus LCD display. With display top left side single punch hole here. Punch hole inside. 16MP front facing camera with support Full HD video. The Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G runs MUI 10.1 based on Android 10 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via nano memory card. It is powered by the high-silicon Kirin 825G SoC, paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage options. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 64MP and 8MP ultra wide and 2MP depth and 2MP macro lens. Camera device. This camera support 4K video. Camera device not bad in budget phone. Fingerprint here on phone right side. It's side mounting fingerprint. How does it work? It's faster or slow? Let's watch now guys.